All right, here we go.
The situation went viral on the train. This is the censored version, absolutely crazy. Is this the thing about her shitting on the train? Let me see if I can find this. Yes, it is.
Context.
As America celebrated its 250th birthday, white nationalists from the group known as Patriot Front marched down the streets of Washington, D.C. According to the Southern Poverty Law Center, Patriot Front is a hate group. They arrived in
Oh, the Southern Poverty Law Center said that? Interesting. Well, we all take what they say super seriously. So, I mean, that's an interesting little tidbit. Yeah, the Southern Poverty Law Center. What a noteworthy organization. We take everything they say seriously. Oh my God. Keep going.
Washington by train, surrounding everyday Americans just trying to go about their holiday, including this woman who sits calmly as white nationalists surround her, and whose image...
Well, she was having bowel problems, bro. And we're going to get into that in a second.
will likely be in our history and textbooks one day.
Some images really strike a nerve and are instantly iconic. This feels like one of them. A black woman
This is an iconic image.
sitting on the D.C. metro, surrounded by countless masked white nationalists on America's 250th birthday.
Speaking of weirdos, members of the...
Honestly, bro, this woman is a victim, and not for the reasons you think. I'm going to tell you what happened, okay? This woman has having bowel issues, okay? I think she's probably done drugs before or whatever, based on her arrest record. And I think her liver and her kidneys are kind of having issues, and I think that maybe she ate some Taco Bell or something. And check it out. Here's the deal. I'm going to tell you guys my take on this issue, honest to God, okay? There's a cultural difference. I think, personally, if you have explosive diarrhea, you should poop on yourself and not poop on the floor. That's my culture, and that's what I believe, me personally. But I have met people from different cultural backgrounds that say, if you have explosive diarrhea, why would you poop on yourself when you could poop on the floor? I've met people from third world countries and just ghetto people and stuff that believe that, okay? Me personally, the culture that I came from, I was raised that if you have explosive diarrhea, you poop on yourself and then you change your clothes. Unless you're out in the woods or something, unless you can literally like get off the sidewalk into a woodsy area and do it like behind a tree or something, you basically have to either find a bathroom or you have to poop on yourself and then change your clothes later. But there's certain cultures where like you pooping on yourself, like in their mind, why would you poop on yourself? That's ridiculous. Okay. In our mind, why would you poop in a public place on the floor on a mass transit? Why would you do that? That's ridiculous. So again, there are cultural differences at play here. But yeah, our traditional middle class white person way of thinking of things, pooping on the floor is nasty, you know? But the way that some people think of things from other cultures is pooping on yourself is nasty. And again, if you have explosive diarrhea and there's no toilet nearby, how do you handle it? Me personally, I'm going to poop on myself and change my clothes later. But there are some black people that I know that were raised in the hood and, you know, they're like, hell no, I ain't going to shit on myself. I know some black people that think like that. And again, these are cultural differences that are real and really exist. And this poor lady was thrust into the spotlight here.
Group Patriot Front.
This lady doesn't care either way. This lady just wants her privacy. She was embarrassed. She was having stomach issues. And quite frankly, she did something that she hoped wouldn't. I mean, this shit
Ride the metro as commuter looks on during the 250th anniversary of U.S. independence. This is, I mean, you know, America. There it is.
This poor lady's trying to poop in peace without a legion of white supremacists interrupting her pooping. That's what I'm trying to say.
So basically, the woman who...
What I'm trying to say, guys, in all seriousness, this woman doesn't give a shit about the politics of the situation. She just wanted to poop, okay? I'm telling you, this woman just wanted to take a poop. And she didn't care about the politics of any of this. Like, she is horrified by the publicity this has gotten.
was revealed. Remember, like, they posted that photo, like, you know, it's like, oh my God, she's so scared. It's been revealed that the black woman that the Democrats put on the pedestal for bravely riding a train with Patriot Front members were engaging in indecent exposure on the train moments before the photo was taken. And as a
And again, I want to stress, you know, in our culture, that is indecent exposure, because really and truly, we're expected to poop on ourselves if we have explosive diarrhea that we can't control. We're expected to poop on ourselves. That's the cultural expectation. That is sort of the white Western way of thinking. You don't poop all over the floor on mass transit. You don't do that. You poop on yourself, and then you find the nearest restroom. You try to clean it up. You change your clothing. That's what you do. You get a change of clothes. That's in the West, you know, and in middle class white culture, that's how you handle that. But I am telling you, I've met some people in prison that don't feel that way. I've met some black people that grew up in the ghetto that it's just a different culture. And they're like, hell nah, I wouldn't shit on myself. I shit on the floor. And yeah, that's indecent exposure, 100%. But again, that's, you know, there's cultural differences. It's 100% true. And I'm telling you, bro, this, you know, for better or for worse, this lady didn't think that this would, like, she didn't realize she was doing this in the middle of a hotbed of some huge political issue. This lady doesn't, this lady is uncomfortable because she's constipated. She doesn't care who's on, she's uncomfortable because hundreds of guys just hopped on the bus. It doesn't matter, or the subway. It doesn't matter who it is. You get what I mean? This wasn't a political issue to her. This was a, damn, I'm constipated, I want to take a shit issue. And so this is how the media twists things. She wasn't trying to be Rosa Parks. She was trying to get to a bathroom to go poop, and she couldn't. And she either had to poop on herself or poop on the floor. And in her culture, probably where she came from, it's, you know, not considered socially acceptable to poop on yourself. And there are cultures that think that way, you know. And I don't know, should you poop on the floor or poop on yourself? I think, you know, you should poop on yourself. But again, that's my own culture talking. Some cultures would say, ew, why would you poop on yourself when you can poop on the floor? And then if you think about somebody from a third world country, if you're miles away from home, it's just a different environment. I think she was born in America, but again, bro, if you don't know, you know, if both of her parents are from a place like Haiti or West Africa, in those cultures, it's considered more socially acceptable to poop on the ground than it is to poop on yourself. If you have like explosive diarrhea or something. Again, these are real cultural, and I'm not even being a troll here, bro. I mean, this is kind of funny. But it's unfortunate that this lady that's really just trying to live her life got pulled into the national spotlight, because this lady was just trying to mind her own business, really. And I'm not saying what she was doing was good, because, you know, hey, lady, if you're watching this, don't poop on the floor no more. Poop on yourself, because society is really going to judge you for that. It's not, that's just not the Western way of handling that situation, okay? I'm just being honest. It's, in the West, we don't poop on the floor. We poop on ourselves. I'm just letting you know that's how we do things in the West. I know that's not how things are done in the Middle East or in certain parts of Africa and in Haiti. I know there's a different culture. It's, you know, but in the West, we poop on ourselves rather than poop on the floor, you know? And again, is it kind of nasty to poop on yourself? Yeah, but that's just, again, both options are bad, right? And so I'm just trying to give you guys a nuanced take. This lady was not trying to get the spotlight. She wasn't trying to be involved with this at all. She was just in the wrong place at the wrong time, having bowel issues. She wasn't handling those bowel issues appropriately by Western standards. But it is what it is, bro. This is just a normal day on mass transit. You guys see shit like this in mass transit all the time. It's become commonplace, you know? And this is kind of the problem with multiculturalism is, you know, it's two totally different ways of handling the same problem, you know? Some cultures say you poop on yourself. Some cultures you say you poop on the floor. This is a perfect example in real time of like two different cultures clashing. And it's not even like in the way the media is presenting it. That's the funny thing. This is an argument about poop, not an argument about white nationalism. So yeah.
Lengthy arrest record. She's pulling her pants down.
And again, unfortunately, she does have a lengthy arrest record, and I think she's done drugs, and I think her liver and her kidneys are messed up. Like a lot of people I know that do drugs and drink and stuff, their liver and their kidneys are messed up, and they have like bowel problems, especially people I know that abuse stimulants. You know how a cup of coffee can give you the poopies? Well, imagine what methamphetamine can do to your bowels. So again, I don't know. This is just speculative, but I think she was having bowel issues.
Who does this, guys? Like, this is insane. Can you even make this shit up? It's just so disgusting and weird, man. This one shows the original viral picture.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, like, don't do drugs. Don't eat a bunch of Taco Bell if you know you're gonna be on a subway for several hours. Don't, there's a lot of things that lead up to that. And, if you know that you have explosive bowel issues sometimes, bring an extra pair of clothing. Stuff like that, but again, bro, not everybody thinks on these time horizons. You're thinking about stuff in terms of, you're thinking about this as a middle class white guy, or maybe a blue collar white guy. You're not thinking about this from the perspective of a person that, maybe I don't know if she's from Haiti or something. Maybe her parents are from Haiti. I got a friend that's from Haiti, and he told me, I asked him about the cats thing, like eating cats. You know what he told me? He said, well, you've never lived in a third world country and had nothing to eat but a cat. And so again, bro, I look at this in a three-dimensional way. Okay? And in some cultures, it's considered very nasty to poop on yourself. In our culture, it's just looked at as an unfortunate fact of life, and you just have to change your clothes. It's a cultural difference. And but see, that's why I understand other cultures, because I don't pretend that all cultures are like exactly the same. And I understand like how these other cultures think, because I spent 5 years in prison and I met people from all over the world that were locked up in FDC, because people come from Florida from all over the world and get arrested. So I've literally met people from all over the world. I've been exposed to other cultures and I understand how they think. So I'm just letting you guys know, giving you guys some nuance and some context to the situation. This woman did not want to be famous. She wasn't being Rosa Parks. She didn't want the spotlight. She didn't want to have photos of herself taken, and she's just all over the news now. And the media is just painting this picture, and in a way, the woman is getting way more attention than she wanted. I tell you that right now. This woman did not want any of this attention, and the media should be ashamed for doing all this. This is a person that has probably drug problems, probably needs some help. And the media is exploiting this person to like create this fake narrative. And I tell you guys, you don't hate the media enough. But anyways, I just wanted to provide the full context, everything going on with this woman. Yeah, she appeared to be trying to take a crap on the subway. We're used to this by now, right? Am I right, guys? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. JordanJJereb signing off.